Hello guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods Pro 2. So this is Apple AirPod, and one of the reasons I bought this was majorly for noise cancellation, and since most of my other devices are Apple products, I just want to be able to sync easily. So I've not used this before. This is my first time I'm going to be using this, and I've been told it has a lot of features. So by the time I start using it, I'll be doing another video to probably review it. So but for today, I'm just going to unbox it and show you what is inside. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so I just removed that. Looks like I might have to remove this as well. Okay, so this is the AirPod Pro manual and everything, so I'm going to go through it later on. And then here we have the AirPod Pro itself. Wow, so solid, very portable, and it looks like it can actually magnet from some other reviews that I've gone through, and the battery lasts very long, so which is another plus, because most other ones I have been using, they don't really last that long, and the noise cancellation is not that accurate. So these are the different sizes of ear that you can use, and I think I saw somewhere where you can check on your phone to know which of these will be compatible with the size of your ear and all of that. So this is the charger. It's a type C USB, and my phone is also type C. You can also use it. This is what you actually use to charge the AirPod, and yeah, this is pretty cool. So thank you very much for sticking around, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.